Hello and welcome back to our explainer of the England Rare Disease Action Plan. Today I'm going to be taking you through Priority 4, Action 1, which is to ensure rapid access to drugs for people living with rare disease in the NHS. So what does this actually mean? So many people living with rare disorders do not have established treatments, but where they do exist, they can be life-changing and life-saving, significantly improving prognosis and an individual's quality of life. So providing access to safe, high-quality specialist care and treatment presents challenges, with some patients needing to travel significant distances to access specialist centres. The small number of patients affected by each rare condition also means that the scale of clinical trials used to typically assess the safety and efficacy of medicines may also not be possible. In July 2021, NHS England and NHS Improvement announced that £340 million of funding will be enabled each year to a fund called the Innovative Medicines Fund. This fund has been designed to provide early access to promising and new innovative drugs. And a secondary scheme also exists called the Early Access to Medicine Scheme, and this is run by the Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency, and is designed to give people living with life-threatening or seriously debilitating conditions access to medicines that are not yet authorised. So supporting fast access to drugs for people living with rare disorders effectively means supporting these schemes. The Department for Health and Social Care will map these schemes to understand how they all work in practice, and will work with NICE and pharmaceuticals companies to determine which drugs will be available and when. By mapping these schemes, the DHSC will be able to identify and address any barriers or challenges which may make it difficult to deliver these new drugs to patients. This process will also ensure the NHS services are prepared in advance and can deliver treatments as soon as they become available. So what does this mean for people living with IMDs? Well, by providing more resources and routes to access treatments for rare disorders faster, you may see new innovative treatments such as gene therapies available via the NHS sooner. Treatments are continually advancing and have been developing for those living with rare disorders, but in the time frame from development to prescription is lengthy. The development and delivery of the COVID-19 vaccines provided evidence that drug development and delivery can be accelerated when needed, and through this action we can expect to see the same process replicated for those living with rare disorders. So what might this look like in practice? Well, at present nobody knows. We can hope to see new and innovative treatments for rare and ultra-rare disorders available through the NHS sooner. However, we are waiting for the first rare/IMD treatment to go through these processes, and NSUK, like many organisations, will be keeping a watchful eye on how this process unfolds and keeping our IMD community up to date with the latest news and developments. Thank you very much for watching. Join me tomorrow for Action 2 of Priority 4.